Okay, as you can see, I am melting my beeswax, and I also have in here 1/4 of a cup of rose infused and extra virgin olive oil with a little bit of lantern, okay? We're gonna make an arthritis salve today. Come back with me. See you in a few. Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Today is another Vlogmas day. I believe we're on day number 4. And today we are going to make an arthritis salve, just so I can work with this recipe to see if I like it or not before I put it in my Etsy shop. So I'm going to give you that recipe as well. But before we start, you know I must say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding Glennceria Loving Hands down. I truly appreciate you. I really do. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Okay, we also have the soap of today. You know, for this whole month of December, I am featuring one of my Artisan bar soaps out of my own Etsy shop. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay, I also want to give you the quote of today. And the quote of today is peace on earth. The quote of today again is peace on earth. Okay, so what I have in here, I have 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil. Okay? Organic coconut oil. And I also have 1 tablespoon of beeswax. All right? And we're going to use 12 drops of frankincense, 12 drops of myrrh, and 6 to 8 drops of ginger, because ginger will heat up your skin real quick. So you have to be careful with ginger, okay? It's like that cayenne. All right, so I just took my oils and the beeswax off the stove. Of course, this is infused in the rose petals, so I have a few rose petal specks at the bottom. It's just for my use. And of course, you know I have my jar and my rubbing alcohol, 91%. You know I'm going to spray it down again, once again. Okay? How's everyone doing today? Are you staying warm? I hope you are. Chill Out Fridays. Did you go get your drink, your favorite beverage? I hope you did. Oh, let's do this too. Whoever comments, the first 5 subscribers that comment down below and say, I subscribe to Glennceria Loving Hands, I will give you a shout out in the next video. We'll do that as well for the whole entire month of December, okay? So that's just going to be shout out December as well. So not only are we doing Vlogmas, but we're also doing shout outs for the whole month of December. Plus I have plenty of surprises and giveaways to happen for this month. So make sure you come back every day. Remember, I'm doing Vlogmas, so I'll give you a video every day. All right, so I'm just letting it cool down some before we add in our essential oils. Have you been over to my Etsy shop yet? Stuff is going fast. I'm trying to keep up. You know, last week we did the, what did we do? We did the salve. We did the liquid gold salve with the frankincense and myrrh, right? It's named Junie. That's in there. I don't know how many I have left, but that's there. And now I'm trying to do this arthritis salve and see if does it work. I have arthritis in my hands. I have arthritis in my knees. So let's see if it's gonna be beneficial for me. All right, let's feel it. Still kind of warm, but I guess it's okay. I guess it's okay. We'll do a little bit more stirring. Are you finished with your Christmas shopping? I'm not. I'm still shopping. Still shopping. I'm running out a lot of things too, you know, for the videos. But I'm hanging in there. Hanging in there. Make sure you subscribe so I can get to my 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours so I can get ads and get monetized for my channel, okay? Remember, I can't do it without you guys. I need your support. All right, I think we're ready. Let's take one more look. Heavenly Lavender. Show you all sides. That's Heavenly Lavender. I wish you can feel it. You can tell that it's moisturizing, that this will not dry out your skin at all. Not at all. And this is the one with the label. Topped with glitter, of course, and some micas. And that's the back. All right, now that should be enough. All right, so let's begin with frankincense. And let me give you the recipe again, but it'll be listed down below, don't worry. Arthritis salve, 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup of organic coconut oil. 12 drops of frankincense, 12 drops of myrrh, and 6 to 8 drops of ginger essential oil, okay? All right, so let's get to it. 12 drops. This is the frankincense. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo, I did that one good. Let's stir that in. And let's do myrrh next. Okay. As soon as I can open it up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did I do 12? We'll do one more since I know one more hidden there. Not like it's gonna make any big of a difference. Now, what do you think? Shall we do 6 or 8 gingers? I'm gonna go with 8. I'm daring. And then I'll know then if it's too much, then I'll know to bring it down once I put it in the shop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it. Bingo, got it. Let's make that a nice stir. And this is gonna be it. And let's commence of just putting it in. And of course, we're not gonna touch it. Jars clean, sterilized, ready to go. Okay? Make sure you can see everything. That's very important. I always like you to see. So I always have to keep that in mind, that you're able to see things. I don't want to leave you out, right, family? My family, Glennceria Loving Hands family. Oh, that looks nice. I love it, love it, love it. I didn't smell it to see what it smelled like. You see, I'm getting all the goodness, every bit of it. And then as you can see, it hardens. It hardens. All right, we'll leave it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really nice. The smell of it is really nice. I like the ginger in it. Okay. The ginger is definitely coming through on that, guys. It's definitely coming through on that. I'm just going to lift it real quick to show you. Excuse my hands. I just wanted to show you. Now I'm going to place it down. All right. That's really nice. I'll bring you right back. All right, my loves. I think that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Vlogmas day 5, right? Have a good Friday. I'm going to say that now. Have a good Friday. Be safe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Vlogmas 5. What do we do today? Arthritis salve with frankincense, myrrh, and ginger essential oil with organic infused rose petals, coconut oil, with a little beeswax, 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Have a good day. Love you. Mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. I see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Heavenly Lavender. There we go. Have a good day. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.